guys, it's another Battle Cat day, and I forgot. I didn't show you the video how I got the Crazy Cat. Well, it's right here, as you can see. So right now I'm gonna demonstrate you the power of the Crazy Cat. Yeah. Right now, what level should we play? You can defeat Queen Pig together with Wildcat. I think I should better play Gentle Smile. Will this work? I don't know. So right now we're gonna have to find out. Oh, it's so fast, man. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, right now we're gonna wait for the boss to come out. Okay, there they are. The gory spam starts. Let's start the gory. I'm not afraid of you, Crazy Cat says. Well, actually he keep knocking back. No, Crazy Cat! Sniper, kill them and take revenge for Crazy Cat. Okay, Sniper is very slow though. Too bad. Woohoo! This is great. Okay, right now, let's see our cats do it, including Mr. Crazy Cat and Mr. Macho and Mr. Walls and Mr. Sniper, who hasn't even reached his destination, and Mr. Pole Vaulter. Lastly, Mr. Dragon. Okay, let's see which level should we test him out next. Well, actually, this time I'm not gonna test him. I'm gonna test Mr. Macho and his team. -1 plus True Valkyrie and Crazy Bahamut. They're quite strong together, yo, actually, to be fair. Okay, should we play this and try it out? Yes, sir, we should. Okay, assistant. Oh, not this guy. Oh man, I hate that guy. I hate the metal guy. 2 of them. I'm so dead. Oh no, I'm so dead. Oh my god, they can't even kill my cow cat. I'm so dead. My ultimate cow cat. No. No. No, not good. No, the last cow cat. Oh man. Okay, so I should be able to win, but not when those 2 metal hippos are gonna crash. No, I hate Cersei, especially in 3-star stages. This is 3-star Peptide Snowfield. In case you don't know this chapter, it's Glucosamine Desert, the 3rd chapter, because actually I've only played not even 10 chapters of Legend stages because I'm not very pro. Hey, at least I'm pro. I'm pro than my mother. Just her basic cat already has such slow recharge time. Right, mommy? Yeah, she confessed. Oh my. What is going on? They're rampaging on my cats. Okay, at least we killed something. What did I kill there? Okay, go Valkyrie. I know you can do it. Don't die! Don't die, Valkyrie! You're our only hope. Oh! Good, Valkyrie! Oh, yeah. Yes! You're doing great, Valkyrie. Now all you have to do is just win. Watch very closely how my Valkyrie does it. Actually, she's not really doing it very perfectly. Hello? Yes! Yes! I did it! Oh, okay. But there's still two. Oh, I defeated one metal hippo. That's great. Whoa. Whoa. That was close call, Valkyrie. You almost reached it. Bahamut is not supposed to be here. Actually. Okay. Yes, I defeated them. I defeated it. Now before Crazy Bahamut reaches, please win. If not, it's not good. Hello. The Cerseus keep spawning and the pigs as well. It's annoying. Like so annoying. Okay, let's go. And win this stage. Oops, wasted his giant orb. That giant orb is so useful, man. Yes. Yes, Bahamut has reached his destination where he can put his next fireball. Soon all my cats will be upgraded to level 30 and I'm the boss. Wow, that's a good Bahamut there. Oh, they attack at the same time. I didn't know that. Yeah, I got a good amount of XP. Let's do this, Gamma Toto. Oh, you're almost level 24. Hey, I recruited another guy. What? It's too crowded. No, not again. Bye-bye, Kevin. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kevin. No, Kevin. Kevin. No. Oh, he did. No more Kevin. Okay, right now we're gonna go and check the Maramash. And this guy is gonna be so dooming. Good commanding desert. Oh, Hyaluronan Mountain. This is very hard. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna upgrade my Grace Cat. Yes. But it looks really cool though. I feel my Grace Cat looks very cool. Let me show you his look. Yeah, look how cool he is. He's turned on black or something like that. And his eyes are wide. Very wide. Whoa! He has Godspeed, man. So, yeah, there's nothing much to say. Bye! Please like and subscribe my video. And please comment good things and give a thumbs up. Okay, bye-bye.